Some breaking news now coming in involving an Air India flight. This is Air India Express, a flight from Hyderabad to Phuket. It was IX 110 and it was in fact returned to Hyderabad. Now, according to what the spokesperson said, shortly after takeoff, the crew on one of our flights exercised abundant caution and elected to return to Hyderabad on account of a technical issue. Let's go across to Tanushka for more. Tanushka, any more details on what this technical issue was that forced this flight back to Hyderabad?
We do understand that this flight that was departed from Rajiv Gandhi International Airport at 6:40 in the morning was airborne for only 17 minutes before it began descending. And while it was descending, it reached an altitude of over 10,000 feet before initiating return to base, and it landed safely back at Hyderabad at 6:57 a.m. So, hardly when it took off, it had to come back reportedly due to a technical issue, which is what Air India Express is maintaining at this point. This was a Boeing 737 MAX 8 aircraft, and what we do understand from Air India Express as of this moment is that a technical problem was detected after takeoff, and pilots made a conclusive decision on the spot to return to base on account of technical issue. Now, of course, we don't know exactly what this technical issue is, but the airline also maintains that they arranged alternative flight for on priority for the passengers and provided refreshments as well during the delay, while the flight was still coming back, and there was a sort of confusion. So as of now, we do understand that this flight, the passengers got onto an alternative flight, but the original flight was diverted to Hyderabad on account of a technical issue.
All right, and as Tanushka tells us, all the passengers have been boarded on another flight. Thanks so much for joining us with that. So an Air India flight there, India Express, developing technical snag, returning to Hyderabad.